Hello guys, and welcome back to here. Welcome back with me, guys. I really can't stand the welcome back to the channel, but how else do you intro something? I don't know. Hi, how are you? Leave it down below. You know the deal, guys. So today we have something different. The first time on my channel. This is the Trendmood box. This is the Nabla edition. So you can go online right now to trendmood.com, go into shop, and buy this box for $44. I have opened not the whole box by any means. I actually don't know everything that I have, but I knew that it came with 2 palettes, so I did go ahead, open one, and I did use that palette. So let's go into here. I will show you what I mean, but it's, like I said, $44 box, and it well exceeds the price that you would pay if you bought all of this individually. So you do open this up, you can get a little scan here, I guess, if you'd like to know a little bit more about each product and pricing. As you saw, it's wrapped up nicely. I did kind of mess that up, so I'm just gonna mess it up further right now. And we're going to open the bubble wrap, and so I'm gonna go just item by item. Let's start with the item that I opened up. This is the Nabla Cutie number 7. This is called Analog. This is the Analog palette, so it does come with nice plastic wrapping around it. I know that Nabla palettes are pretty pricey, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. This is the one I used on my eyes today. So I did go in with this color all over the lid. I darkened the crease up here, and this is also on my under waterline, not waterline, but under eye. I did use this on the outer parts. I use this color inner and into the inside of my eye, and then I went in with this darker color here and kind of used it as like a black liner. I did not use this color yet, but I will swatch all of them for you. So I'm just going to go in order. I'm going to do 2 around for each color, like 2 swipes around. I have to clean off my hand. The pigments, I already have some swatching here, so I'm going to have to kind of go here, and then I will show you. Oh my goodness, look at that pigment. This is a beautiful palette, very pigmented, and I was super happy to get it. Looking for somewhere to clean my hands, because of course the latest one is the last one I have to go into. Alright guys, so, rough. Woof. Should have done this differently. So let's stand up and do this actually. So here are the colors right here, guys. Beautiful palette. As you can see, like this color out here has like a really pretty shimmer to it. It's like a pink gold, almost like a duochrome for sure. That was a horrible swatch. We'll do better on the next one. I don't know what I was thinking there. So that is palette number 1. It's the number 7 Analog palette. So this is the same one that if you get right now, these are what's going to come in your box. It's not really a surprise. Like, you know this is coming. In your box, there are a few surprises, you'll believe, but I believe that this is, if you go look at the picture, everything that comes in a box. This is number 6 of the palettes that they have. These miniature, I know guys, my nails, I can clock myself. This is the Midnight Cutie palette. This is really pretty too. I was tempted to play with this one, but ended up playing with the brown. How gorgeous are these colors, right? I love blues, especially this right here and this right here. So we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to go in, do 2 swipes of each, and we will do a better job of swiping on the arm. So I'm just going to go here. This is the first. It's like a dark blue. Okay, so that didn't swipe as well as typically the other palette did. That's beautiful. That is stunning. Wow. Let me clean my hands again real quick and dip into the last 2 colors. Of course, this blue is like staining me here. How have you guys been? Let me know below. So I'm gonna go to this. Oh, that's pretty too. And then we're gonna go. So this is like that white, almost looks that is a duochrome, like a white, but it's also like an icy blue. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then this, wow, color right here is a light blue, a purple, green at times. That's a beautiful color. Sorry for the horrible swatching, guys, but hopefully you can get a gist of how the colors look. They are absolutely beautiful. Kind of wish I had played with this now at first, but I will be excited to play with it, and maybe I'll even do a video using this palette. Again, this was the number 6 cutie palette from Nabla, and it is called Midnight. Again, what you will get. So you were also, tell me I had all the information here. This is 30% off at Nabla. Okay, so then the next 3 things that came are liners, I believe. So they are Cupids, Arrows, Full Contour, Studio, Intense liners, and these are Longwear, multi-use. Okay, multi-use liners, and let's check out, let's open. This is the first one. This one is called Arrow number 5. And it is a really pretty copper bronze brown color. Then the next one is going to be Arrow number 6. Now mind you, you do get all of this in that $40 box. A really pretty dark navy blue. No shimmer to that one at all. And then this is the Arrow number 7, and this is going to be a brown, but really pretty. I might add this to my eye look, or maybe that other one. So, wow. So now say we wanted to, like, let's see if I could go in and smudge that out. Yeah, you could definitely smudge it out. You're going to have to kind of do it rather quickly. It does smudge a little bit, but you're going to have to want to move a little bit quicker. So that was 3 liners, or multi-use 6. I guess you could use it all over as a one color look. You could use it to color like this color in here and then the darker brown in here and smudge it together. But like I said, you're going to do that. It doesn't say you can't use it for lips, so I'd almost wonder if you couldn't use these for liners, like lip liners as well, because they would definitely make pretty lip liners. Those first 2 colors as well. I believe they are eye safe in the sense of like putting it in your watermark. Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say, guys. This is my 2nd video in a row and I'm tired. I mean, just from the day, not from the video. I've been booking all day. So this is the Viper Lip Plumper, and wow, talk about beautiful product. Look at this. Viper, it looks like it's going to be twistable, and there is a snake. Gorgeous. Wow. Okay, nice. I like that it's like a plastic top, because I have something on, a color on right now, that if you watch my last video, you see I got in BOXYCHARM. I want to see what this would be like over top of it. I am not someone who uses plumpers a lot. Luckily, like, I was God-given with nice lips that I used to absolutely hate when I was younger, because I used to be made fun of them. But they are starting to lose a little bit of the volume that I once had in my lips. So I'm trying to get this off. But I do like that it's plastic, because you're not gonna, like, if it was a white, you know, wand and you mess that color up, you could just definitely wipe it off. How many twists, guys? Am I doing something wrong? I'm just twisting. Okay, I see it coming up. Ooh, that's satisfying. Here it comes. Oh, okay, so here it comes. Doesn't really have a color to it. So let's see how this goes. Let's use a little bit more. Gosh, I'm scared. Right, and I am just going to still, like I said, it's plastic, so I can just whoop, wipe that off here, and it's good to go for whatever next color that I use. I'm going to swirl that around, and I instantly feel like a tingle. Yeah, this is going to be fun. It's definitely a good tingle, guys. So we knew that you were getting this as well. The only thing that you didn't know, well, you knew that you were getting this product. You just didn't know what color it was going to be. And this is heavy, and it's luxe feeling already. This is the Body Glow by Nabla. This is a body highlighter. There are 2 separate colors. There's a dark color, like a golden color, and then there's like a more light golden color. And it looks like I got... I'm not sure. This is like a lighter golden color, but I did hear that no matter like what your skin tone is, either will work on you. So I'm actually just gonna pull my hair back real quick. Look at this. It is Luxe. It is a glass bottle. This is gorgeous. I will absolutely leave this out on my vanity. Not that like everything isn't out on my vanity, but I'm gonna leave this out. So excuse me, guys. I do have a crop top on. Hopefully I'm not like showing too much. Sorry. So it is a, oh, that wasn't correct. I wasn't supposed to do that, I'm pretty sure. Oh, something tells me I just screwed something up. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. So I'm just going to take a couple. Let's play the game of how many pumps. Oh, okay. So this is what it comes out looking like. Oh, that is really, oh, my lips. My lips are starting, and this is really pretty. All right, so I'm going to take this, and I'm going to go here. It has a really pretty smell to it already. Okay, so I can tell that it's not going to be so overwhelming that I can't put it on like that. So I'm going to put it on my neck. And if you can kind of see some mini shimmers already, I'm going to take some, almost lost you guys. All right, hi. I'm going to take some more of that and put it on my arms and come downward. I don't think you could really like, I mean, you definitely could use too much, but I mean, like, I'm going in with a legit amount, and as you can see on my hands, you can really see the shimmer there. I have a bunch of stuff I have to take off my arms before going anywhere, but, okay, so this is really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see if I get closer. Oh yeah, you can absolutely see. Definitely hydrating and very much so shimmering as well. A nice natural, like reflective, not overwhelming in any way. Okay, so my lips are really starting to burn. This is interesting. So I do definitely feel the tingle if you're one of those people, because I know I have friends that cannot handle this tingle at all. I watch YouTubers that cannot handle this tingle at all. And right now, I don't think that it made my lips bigger yet, but I can feel how the blood is like rushing there. So I can definitely feel that it would be. So let's recap this real quick while we're allowing this to happen, and maybe even use the eyeliner. So I'm thinking maybe of using the, I'm having a hard time thinking because it's like freaking me out that it's starting to like tingle. All right. So just as a recap, we do have the blue Midnight palette, which is gorgeous. I absolutely loved it. This palette that I have on my eyes, absolutely gorgeous. We do have the Nabla Body Glow. I love this stuff. I have a few of different ones of these. Luckily, I have not run into the exact same one over and over, but I really think that they're so much fun for the summer, not just like in a bikini or something, but when you go out on the town. This is the lip plumper that we have on my lips, giving me a panic attack right now. And then we have these lovely, trying to get them out of here, guys. Sorry about the noise. These lovely pencils that I think I'm going to play with right now. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different ones that, I mean, 7 different items that came in this box for $44. I think that's a amazing price, and I really like Trendmood altogether. I love their page on Instagram, is it tells you like all of the new makeup releases. If you guys don't know about Trendmood, go check them out on Instagram. They have like so much info on all of the biggest releases that are coming. I think I'm going to use this color right here. This was the medium range brown, and I'm going to go in while my lips are tingling, girl. Boy, they are tingling. You saw how everything's on here? Everything. All right, guys. So I'm just going to, sorry I'm not looking at you guys, but okay, so oddly, this matches, well, not oddly, because I use the palette from this brand, but if you can see, it just boldened up that brown that I had underneath of there. So I am happy I went with this color. I could definitely see somebody using this as a liner as well. This is beautiful. And so I'm just going to take this upward and pull it into that line that I had here. That really doesn't look like a line. It looks more like I just went with a really dark shadow and just swiped upward. I might have to fix that before I end up heading out. But let's look at my lips. Do we think that they got any bigger? I think that maybe they have. They're definitely tingling. I know that, like, what lip one do I always hear people talking about? The Too Faced one. That people are like, oh, it's incredibly painful. I wouldn't say this is painful, but it's like, oh yeah, they're definitely tingling. Like it's extreme, but not like in a horrible way or an I can't take away. Like I've seen people like wipe that one off their lips and be like, I absolutely cannot take this. I don't feel that way at all with this one. So yeah, I think this is a great box, and I really wanted to open this up and get on it before it sells out. You can definitely get it right now. This is probably gonna go up a day after I put up my boxy box, just so I make sure that you guys can get it if you really want it. I think that it's definitely worth the money, and I will absolutely be buying more boxes from Trendmood. They also have a first aid beauty one up right now with a bunch of first aid beauty skincare products. So if you like that, go check that out as well, because I know that's a staple in a lot of people's collections. But yeah, guys, thank you for joining me. And I'm sorry I haven't gotten a self like love or a like life coaching challenge up this month yet. I understand it's only like a couple days in August, but my son's birthday was just the other day, and I have been really busy. I have some good news business wise for myself, and I've been incredibly busy and blessed, like in a good way, but busy. And nonetheless, I've been going through some other things, and I'm working on my own like self healing and things that are going on right now and just taking care of me right now. But I will be with you guys shortly, in a few days. Maybe I'll do look with that blue palette, and we will do a self love challenge as well. So I'm wondering how long this is gonna like take to calm down, but it's still going. If anybody was wondering, it's still tingling. I think it hasn't like it stayed at this level that it's hit now for maybe like 2 minutes or so. So it hasn't gone beyond this. I feel like this is the most extreme tingling that'll happen. But yeah, this is the look of lips, and I think that maybe it has made this one a little bit bigger. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, or had a wonderful weekend, because it'll have been the weekend. And I hope that you have a great start to your week. And I will see you guys soon. I'm sending you all light and love. Like I said, don't forget to unpack every day. Take care of you. And I'm sending you all so much light and love. And I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye.